Greetings to every one of you. In this video, we are going to discuss another very important concept from machine learning, that is Q-learning algorithm. This algorithm was introduced by Watkins. This model consists of agents and number of states S, a set of actions A. By performing an action, the agent moves from one state into another state, that is from state S to S dash. Agent receives rewards based on the action. The main aim of this algorithm is to maximize the cumulative rewards. This algorithm works on the function which evaluates the quality of state action combination. So Q colon S into A implies R. Here Q is a constant. So Q learning equation can be written as Q of ST comma AT. So this is state at time t and action at time t, replaced by Q of ST comma AT plus alpha of ST comma AT, where alpha is the learning rate and its value is ranging from 0 to 1, into RT plus 1, this is nothing but reward, plus gamma is a discount factor, and this discount factor which gives the significance of the future rewards, into maximum of Q of ST plus 1 comma AT plus 1 minus Q of ST comma AT. So this is the maximum future value and this is the old value, finding out the difference. So when the state changes, the rewards are provided to the agents. So the new values are calculated for each state. So this equation, it is given in the form of an algorithm. Step 1, for each state action pair, that is S comma A, initialize the table entry, that is Q of S comma A equal to 0. So all the values for the combination of state and action, it is initialized as 0. Step number 2, observe the current state. Step number 3, do the following forever. Like first one, select an action, that is A, and execute it. So after performing the action, so immediately we will receive the immediate reward, that is R. Observe the new state, that is S dash. From S to, now the agent moves to the next state, that is S dash. Update the table entry for this Q of S comma A as follows, that is Q of S comma A is equal to the reward R plus the discount factor gamma, maximum alpha dash of Q of S dash comma A dash. S dash is the new state and this is the new action. The alpha, it is nothing but the learning rate. Step number 4, S is equal to S dash. Store the new value, that is S dash, that is stored in S. Repeat until this S dash is the goal state. This example contains 6 different states and the corresponding reward values also indicated in this diagram. So for example, from state 1 to 4, the reward is 0. Similarly, moving from state 4 to there is 1, the reward is 0. Similarly, moving from state 4 to 600, 5 to 600, and self-looping move to 6 to 6, it is also 100. So remaining other values are, that is 0. So here we are going to calculate the new values, new reward values. So this can be done with the help of this algorithm, Q learning algorithm. Let us consider the present state is 3. So from the present state, what type of actions I can do. I can do different actions, like I can move to, that is state 2, or I can go to, that is 4, or I can go to, that is 5. These are the different actions I can do. So among these actions, let us consider I am taking 5. My action is 5 now. Okay, so if I take 5, immediately I will get a reward for this action, that is r is equal to 0. So for this particular action I get a reward. So now I got a new, that is the s dash value, it is 5. Okay, so from this I can do different actions. So from 5 I can go to 6. From 5 the actions are one is go to, that is 6, and another is go to 3. If I go to 6 I will get reward, that is 100, and if I go to, that is 3, I will get 0. Now substitute all these values in this equation, that is q of s comma a is equal to r plus q of, this is 3 comma 5. So the current state is, that is 3, and we are moving to, that is 5. Okay, so this can be written as, so our reward value is 0 plus initial reward, immediate reward, then this gamma is equal to 0.8, and maximum of this q of s dash and a dash. So that we have to, that is select these two values, that is one is 100 and another is 0. You have to take the maximum one, so which is nothing but 100. So 0.8 into, that is 100, it's nothing but 80. So now this q of 3 comma 5, it is 80. So originally it was 0 here. Now this value 0 can be, that is updated by this new value, that is 80. So similarly, consider the next action. Consider my present state is equal to 5. Okay, so from 5 I can do different actions. That is, one is I can go to, that is 3, and another is I can go to, that is 6. The actions are one is 3 and another is 6. Let us consider this 6 as our action. So a is equal to, that is 6. So immediately if I select 6 as a action, I will get the reward, immediate reward, as 100. Okay, so now from 6 I can, where I can move. What are the actions possible from 6? Okay, so from 6 I can go to, that is 5. If I go to 5, my reward is 0, and also I can go to, that is 4. 6 to 4 I can go, so that is also 0. So now substitute these values. It is q of that is 5 comma 6, which is equal to, that is reward value, it is 100, r is 100. Okay, plus gamma is 0.8, then maximum of this q of the value, that is yes, that is for moving from that is 6 to 5, it is 0, then 6 to 4 it is also 0. So the maximum of this value is nothing but 0, so 0 into 0, this is 0. So this q of 5 comma 6, which is equal to 100. So already with 5 comma 6, it is already, it is 100. No need to update this value. So similarly, we can select any particular state, state to another state. We can find out, we can update all these zeros into the significant values. Okay, so in this algorithm I explain what is Q learning, and also I just gave this algorithm, Q learning algorithm, and also with the help of this example how this Q learning works. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.